Today, we are going to learn about the physical or sensory challenges. Under the physical or sensory challenges, we are going to see about differently abled people. What are we going to see? Differently abled people. Children, not everyone can use all five senses. Some lack the ability to use any one or more of them. Such people are called differently abled. The people who cannot see, hear, speak, or walk like everyone else are called differently abled people. Through different techniques, they are taught to overcome their disability to lead a normal life. Children, there is always ability in disability. Do you know why I used the term differently abled? It is because we should not use the word handicapped or disabled. Instead, we should use the word differently abled people in order to refer them. Children, disability is not a disease. We should always treat differently abled people with love and care. They are not different. They are special people. They need special care, attention, love, and affection. Disability can be of many types. First one is hearing disability or hearing challenged. A person loses his hearing ability either at birth or due to some accident. Hearing device. Medical science has invented special sensor based hearing device. People who cannot speak or hear learn to communicate through sign language. Children, next one is seeing disability or visually challenged. People who cannot see are called visually challenged people. Seeing device. Braille. It is a special script written on a thick paper with 1 to 6 raised dots. Each set of raised dots stands for a letter of alphabets. Visually challenged people are learning through the Braille script. Louis Braille, the father of Braille script. Next, we are going to see about walking disability or orthopedically challenged. A person who faces problem in moving and walking. Walking devices. Wheelchair, walking stick and crutches. Children, do what you can with what you have where you are. Let us know how to help them. Helping people is very honorable and there are plenty of ways by which we can help differently abled people. Let's see one by one. Ask first if they need any help from you and follow their lead. Next, speak clearly and listen to their words well. Next, use direct words. Next, never tease them by calling with specific names. Next, be aware of their personal aids. Do not cause any damage to the aids. Children, your simple acts can be helpful to them. Opening doors for the disabled, making way for them, bring them to cross the road, treat them as normal people. Children, by doing this, you can exhibit that you want to help the differently abled. So, dear children, always be good, be helpful to others.